Hello and welcome back to Stitch and Starfall, everybody. Today we're going to be making a Frostpine Tree. To start off our Frostpine Tree, we're going to make a magic ring of 6 single crochets. For round 2, we're going to increase into each stitch to bring us up to 12 stitches. For our third round, we're going to single crochet for 1 and then increase in the following stitch and repeat that sequence all the way around to bring us up to 18 stitches. Next, we're going to single crochet for 2 stitches and then increase into the third stitch and repeat that sequence all the way around to bring us up to 24 stitches. Fifth round is our final increase round, and we're going to single crochet for 3 stitches, increase in the fourth, and repeat that all the way around to bring us up to 30 stitches. For this round, we're going to single crochet into the inner loop. Now to do that, you're going to take your hook and go from the top of your stitch, split the stitch, and grab only the loop closest to your tail in the center. And then you're going to single crochet into that loop alone all the way around. Next, we're going to single crochet regularly all the way around. We're now going to single crochet for the next 3 stitches and decrease to bring us back down to 24 stitches. You're going to insert your hook into the outer loops of both of the next stitches, then single crochet through both of those loops. We're then going to single crochet all the way around normally. For this round, we're going to single crochet for 2 stitches, then decrease and repeat that all the way around to bring us down to 18 stitches. From here, we're going to single crochet all the way around regularly, and this is going to be the last round of the bottom piece of our tree, and then we're going to start branching out to our wider base of the second portion. We're now going to start branching out by crocheting in front. To do that, you're going to enter your hook into the next stitch and then pop it out the stitch beside it, one over, and you're going to single crochet into that attachment point at the base. You should now have 18 stitches facing outwards. So what we're going to do now is single crochet for 2 stitches, then increase and repeat that all the way around to bring us up to 24 stitches. From here, we want to start building upwards again, so we are going to crochet behind our previous row by entering the next stitch from the inside and then poking back into the following stitch and single crocheting on that attachment point. It's the same process as crocheting in front, we're just doing from the inside out instead of the outside in. From here, we're going to single crochet all the way around normally. We're now going to single crochet for the next 2 stitches and then decrease to bring us back down to 18 stitches. We are then going to single crochet all the way around normally for 18 stitches. We're then going to single crochet for 1 and then decrease and repeat that all the way around to bring us down to 12 stitches. We are now going to single crochet all the way around normally. At this point, we want to start building outwards again, so we are going to single crochet in front for an entire round of 12. Since we are still building outwards, we're going to single crochet for 1 and then increase and repeat that all the way around to bring us back up to 18 stitches. Now, since we're building back up again, we are going to single crochet behind the previous row for a round of 18 stitches. We are now finally working on the top of our tree and doing our last couple decreases. So at this point, I would recommend stuffing your whole tree before we continue making our opening even smaller. For this round, we're going to single crochet all the way around normally again. At this point, we're going to single crochet for 1 and then decrease and repeat that all the way around to bring us down to 12 stitches. We are in the final stretch here and we're going to single crochet all the way around for 12 stitches twice. At this point, we're going to cut our strand, stuff the last of the top, and then we're going to fasten off and close the opening of our tree, and we will be all done. And just like that, your tree is all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.